Experts and community representatives reviewing the management of the lead legacy left from the former Pasminco Cockle Creek smelter at Boolaroo met with concerned Lake Macquarie residents in an event hosted by the Lake Macquarie-led Community Reference Group.
It wasn't a public meeting, it was really about community information, so that meant that we had the different agencies that were involved, EPA, the council and particularly health here to explain what they're doing and to listen to people's concerns. And overall, I think it's been a really good night.
Lead contamination has cast a shadow over the suburbs surrounding the old smelter's site for more than 100 years. The chance to raise concerns one-on-one with the relevant experts was something residents affected by lead contamination took full advantage of, with two clear issues emerging.
I spoke to a lot of people who have chosen to live here, knowing full well the issues with lead. They didn't know, though, that when they chose to extend their house or put a pool in or a garage, that they were going to be whacked with all these massive remediation costs. So that's, I think, the biggest concern at the moment. Not probably the lead in the soil, what the lead in the soil is doing to people's back pockets.
The safe disposal of contaminated soil identified as the other major problem.
We're making some good progress towards a solution as far as waste disposal. We're out consulting on what best practice looks like in terms of managing lead situations like this elsewhere in the world. So there's a number of things that the group's doing.
While health fears over lead poisoning appeared to have eased following recent blood lead level testing by Hunter New England Area Health, the Community Reference Group is pleased with the results.
I think it's got a great value. It's where our role is, I guess, essentially to provide a conduit between the expert group and the community. And as much as we think we've got a handle on the community issues, it's always good, I think, to get back out there and to actually hear it firsthand and confirm that what we think are the biggest issues are actually what the community still find the biggest issues.
The EPA's Adam Gilligan said the night was just as beneficial for the experts.
We certainly appreciate the opportunity to have one-on-one conversations with the community so we can hear individuals' concerns. Sometimes public meetings are more about us talking to them. This is a great chance for them to talk to us and for us to hear and take into account their views.
Those views will be included in a report the EPA is preparing to hand to the state government mid-year. Out of the night's 100 attendees, the vast majority appeared to appreciate working with the experts to try and find a permanent solution to the area's ongoing lead contamination problems.
Terrific. I feel very good here. It's the first meeting I've been, and I hope it's not the last one.
It's nice to know that they're still looking at the lead problem.
It's been a very good night. They've answered a few questions for me, but I'm still thinking about the lead problem.
And that's something Lake Macquarie MP Greg Piper would like to see the end of.
I think the community really do want it wrapped up, and that's certainly my intention as well. We don't want the community to have ongoing concerns about this matter. It's just not good for them, for how they feel. It's not good for the local economy either. This is a great place to live. The contamination dropped greatly when the smelter closed. All the signs are good. We just need to make sure that that goes on in perpetuity.